Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I wanted to talk a little about propagation and seed saving. So gardening is great, but it can get expensive too if you're buying either your plants at a nursery or even just seeds. A packet of seeds can be like $3.50, $4. So this is a method that I tried a couple of years ago and have been using it, and it's great, it's easy. This doesn't look pretty at this point, but that's a slice of tomato that has just dried out. So I had found this tomato at a nursery or farmer's market, and I really liked it. So all I did was take a slice off of the tomato, laid it in on some soil. This was last fall, and then just put it in a dark, cool place and let it dry out. So today, I'll show you what we're gonna do with that. I also had one of my Roma tomatoes that I grew. And this one, I'm not sure how this is gonna work. I haven't tried this before. It's my Arctic kiwi vine. You get little fruit on these little kiwis, and I've been trying to propagate this plant, so I'm hoping that this is going to work. So all you do, so easy, you just take a little bit of soil, sprinkle it over that dried out tomato slice. Just like that. And I'm gonna try it with the kiwi, and I'm hoping it will work. And then we just give these a good watering. And then I'm going to put these probably on my windowsill because I get nice light there. I'll probably put some saran wrap over these just to keep the moisture in and make it like a little dome, humidity dome. And then we'll come back and I'll show you in about a week how many little baby tomatoes we have on these. So that's one thing. The other thing, we know when we go to a nursery, again, plants are very expensive. So how do we propagate them? So this is one that I got from a nursery. It's just a vine. So I love these as outdoor plants in the summer. And I also found another plant last year, which I used a lot in my hanging baskets. This is a beautiful plant. You can see it, but it grows crazy, and it's a nice trailing vine. So for these, again, so easy to do this and cost effective. So I'm just gonna bring the camera in so you can see. So you're just gonna wanna pick a piece of your plant. I'm gonna take this one. So there's the mother vine that it's growing off. This is just an offshoot. And I'm just gonna cut it right here. So that's what you have. Make sure you have some leaves on it. And then this just goes into a tube filled with water, and leave that in a sunny location. And this is what you're going to end up with. This is one I did, probably 3 weeks ago now. And look at the roots on that. They're beautiful. So out of that, I'm getting, I'll get these apart. 1, 2, 3 plants just off of that main plant. So I have to pot those up, and then you don't have to buy those plants for your baskets this summer. And this is the other one I was saying that I love. I wish I knew the name of it, but I don't. But it grows huge. Again, Look at those roots, they're gorgeous. So what I did, I saved the plant over winter and I just took slips off it. So you can see I have 3 here. So I just, again, took the slips, I put them into water, and then that's what we come out with. So these are ready to be potted up for the summer. So a great way to save money. And these little, I got these little test tube, I call them test tube, at the dollar store last year, which are great for propagating plants. Again, these just go on your windowsill. So any way that we can cut corners, save a little bit of money, why not? So I wanted to give you a little bit of an update on how our seedlings are doing. Unfortunately, the one that I really wanted to grow, the kiwi vine, it has not taken. I'm still gonna leave it for a bit longer. It still may germinate, we'll see. But this is the tomato slice that we had planted and let dried. It's doing great. Look at all the little tiny babies in there. There's gotta be at least 30 little tomato plants in there. So I'm gonna let this go for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna divide these out and transplant them. So again, just such an easy way to get plants from free seed. So that's the thing about gardening. You have some wins, you have some losses. It's all about just trying different things and seeing what works and not getting discouraged, because usually your wins are going to be greater than your losses. So just keep at it, try to have fun with it, and your knowledge grows and you learn how to do things. So I hope this has helped you in some way. We'll see you next time.